Okay, we're testing the volume. Kung maganda ba? Hello, mic test. Stop recording. Ang laki ng katabi ko, oy. Traffic dyan. We're gonna head straight. Diba, nakisingit pa si Friendship. This is the best decision ever. Did you know that I did not have night class driving? Not that I did not have it. I missed it. So I had a rough 2 months driving in the beginning that I was scared driving. Parang pag gumagabi na, natatakot na ako, besh. Kasi I find it harder kasi nga blind spot. You know, you have to learn your blind spot when you are a driver. So I did not have that practice, but it's part of the learning actually in the map of EDI. Pero na-miss namin kasi pa iba-ibang teacher before. I don't know why. That was 2022, tapos medyo ano pa sila, strict kasi parang pandemic pa at that time, so maingay si beshi ko. So yeah, at that time mahirap. The first 2 months that I had this car, and nahirapan ako, besh. Pag magsi 6 o'clock na, dumidilim na, it's so hard. But I learned it. I had to take the Sheikh Zayed, Al-Khail, Emirates Road, so much that I had to learn. And I'm okay with it. I'm okay with everything. It's actually good nighttime driving kasi hindi na siya masilaw sa umaga. Kalaban na lang natin mga sedan ay yung mga big cars like Nissan Patrol na akala mo sila may-ari ng kalsada, besh, na yeah. But now I'm good with everything. I can easily park in less than 30 seconds, 15 seconds max actually. Stop recording. What is that? Bumili ako ng lapel. Besh, but I don't know kung pwede siya. Hindi ko ma-figure out kasi pang phone lang pala yun. So, we're gonna try. So, nasa na mga tayo? So far, within that year that I had the license, yan, mayabang na tayo, girl. Nagkaroon na nga tayo ng speeding fine when I was when I had hiking. But that's the only fine so far. Please, no more fine in the next years to come. That was January 2024. So 2 years na walang fine. Kasi besh, kailangan mag-ingat kahit saan ngayon. Ang dami ng cameras. Love taught me about checking the cameras kapag gumagamit ka ng Waze. So yeah, I had a good control of the brake. Natutunan ko yon. At saka conversating habang nagda-drive. Wait lang, tumatawag si Love. Stop recording. Clock Tower. wedding. There's a wedding at the moment. Ay lang ako nakapasok face to besh. Si ate girl. Wow! Nice man siya, oy. Ang sweet naman dito, parang pang date girl. Ate girl.
You have to go through this way. First one through this.
Ang ganda niya, besh. Hindi malamig sa loob. We're using the phone now. Ayan, may pag-Grand Hyatt device sa likod. Diba? Puro halaman dito eh. Grand Hyatt. Ayun, ang sumama sa video. Nice siya.
That's all.
Ganda yan. Ganda yan siya. Ganda siya. Kaya lang mahal, besh. Christmas feels pa rin siya, girl. Wala mo?
This is
Macaroons. I think this one is That's the review for the Insta360 Go Ultra. Lobat na siya, besh.